Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Steph. Today I'm coming to you all with a product review. And before we get into it guys, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get into it. So I have been on a skin journey to get my skin back in order. I previously damaged it using something I shouldn't have used because I thought I was going to clear my blemishes, but instead it thinned out my skin a little bit. But we're not gonna get all into that. Today, we are talking about this here. This good premium. It's called, I'm gonna try to pronounce it guys. It's called Hada Labo Gokajoin Premium. It's a lotion. It's actually used as a toner in Japan. This is a Japanese product, but it's actually used as a toner in Japan, but it's called a lotion. And I can say I really like it, okay? I really like it. Now, I use it in junction with this. This is the snail mucin. Yeah, this is the snail mucin. I've been using the heck out of this. But I thought this was very hydrating, and it is. And it does definitely like heal your skin. Heals your skin. I don't know if it sounded like I said kill, but it heals your skin. And I love it. But I've been using this with it, and I can say this has definitely amped up my moisture game. So this is supposed to have 7 types of hyaluronic acid in it. And yeah, it doesn't break me out. It's really good stuff. It makes me shine, and it keeps the shine all day. Now it does dry or absorb into the skin. However, it keeps my face looking illuminated and glowy and nice and hydrated. So I would recommend this here guys. If you have it, if you see it, I would recommend it. You don't even have to use it with this, but it's just a really great hydrator. Okay, so yes guys, that was my review on this product. I love it. It's really good, and I just use it after this. And after I use this, I'll put my serums on or whatever I'm using after that. All right, guys, so that was all I had on this product. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. All right, I'll talk to you guys next time. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, all right? All right, bye.